But the other top story, of course, is the battle for Bihar. Well, fast-paced developments taking place with the first phase of the nomination now ending. It's just 24 hours really left to go for the first phase nomination deadline to end. Now, the BJP obviously has moved ahead. It's released its third and final list. The JDU has also released its candidate list. In the Mahagathbandhan, the Congress has named 12 candidates. The opposition bloc is yet, however, to announce their seat-sharing formula. We are learning that Congress and the CPI are eyeing the same seats in Begusarai, which is what is delaying the announcement. And also the fact that no meeting has yet been held between the top leaders of the Mahagathbandhan. In a fresh setback for the opposition, Pashupati Paras, the party RLJP, will be contesting elections in an alliance with overseas party AIMIM in Bihar. NDA is all geared up. Suspense, however, continues within the opposition camp as far as the seat-sharing final formula is concerned. Let's listen in to all the reactions, and I'm going to go across to my colleague Sherin.
बिहार की एनडीए सरकार ने हाल में जो महिला रोजगार योजना शुरू की है, उससे बहनें बहुत खुश हैं। बिहार की 1 करोड़ 20 लाख बहनों के खाते में हर एक बहन को 10,000 रुपए भेजे जा चुके हैं। आप इन बहनों से मिलिए, आप इन बहनों को ये जरूर बताइए कि ये पैसा सिर्फ एक बार की मदद नहीं है, ये नया रोजगार करने का प्रोत्साहन है और अब ये पैसों के मालिक वही है। आप उन्हें बताइए कि इस पैसे से वो जो काम शुरू करेगी उसे आगे बढ़ाने के लिए और उस काम को देख करके हम और भी मदद करने वाले हैं।
लगातार 2 बार से राघोपुर की जनता जो है हम पर भरोसा की है और जनता जो है मालिक है और ये तीसरी बार जो है हमने नामांकन जो है राघोपुर से की है। बेरोजगारी को जड़ से हमको मिटाना है, बिहार को आगे ले जाना है। लोग त्रस्त हो चुके हैं भ्रष्टाचार से, अपराध से। अब बिहार जो है अपराध मुक्त, भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त प्रदेश बनना चाहता है।
रणनीतिक रूप से जो बिगड़ी हुई चीज थी अब बन रही है क्या?
मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि स्थिति स्पष्ट नजर आती है। भाजपा ने सभी उम्मीदवार घोषित कर दिए, एनडीए के उम्मीदवारों की घोषणा हो गई, लेकिन महागठबंधन में जूते चप्पल चल रहे हैं, कपड़े फाड़े जा रहे हैं, मार पिटाई हो रही है। लालू प्रसाद यादव मुर्दाबाद के नारे लग रहे हैं, कांग्रेस के प्रभारी को पीटा जा रहा है, कहीं कुछ और चल रहा है। तो एक तरफ से एनडीए आगे बढ़ रही नजर आ रही है, दूसरी ओर आपसी उलझनों में फंसकर महागठबंधन रह गया है और यहाँ तक कि दलितों का अपमान सीधे रूप में नजर आता है। पहले लालू प्रसाद यादव जी ने अंबेडकर जी के आगे पांव रख के, बिल्कुल फोटो के सामने पांव रख के उनका अपमान किया। कांग्रेस तो अंबेडकर जी का शुरू से ही अपमान करती रही, लेकिन जिस तरह से प्रदेश अध्यक्ष दलित हो, मारपीट हो, अपमान हो, महागठबंधन में दलितों का कोई स्थान ही नहीं है।
आपने कई राज्यों के चुनाव देखे हैं और हम इस विधानसभा चुनाव में जब आप ये कहते हैं कि जैसे कुशवाहा की नाराजगी है, मांझी की झिझक है और चिराग की जो माथा है वो तन गया है, इन चीज़ों को डील करने में कितनी कठिनाई आई है और आने वाले दिनों में आएगी भी बीजेपी को?
मैं एक बात स्पष्ट कहूं, सब एकजुट एक स्वर के साथ यही कहते हैं, रफ्तार पकड़ चुका बिहार, फिर एक बार एनडीए सरकार।
Okay, Madhupanna has been travelling through Bihar. Today she is joining us from Siwan to get a sense from her. Madhupanna, on the ground, I know the BJP has made an issue about the Congress, for example, giving a ticket to Shahabuddin's son, or kin, if I'm not mistaken. But apart from that, sorry, the RJD, but what I'm saying is, apart from that, on the ground, this sense of disarray within the Mahagathbandhan, do you think that is something which could hurt them? Because after all, the campaign should have started, and at least some kind of an organization. Okay, I'm going to try and connect with Madhuparna, but she's joining us from Siwan. The point is that the contrast is so stark and telling. On one hand, you clearly see the NDA has its house in order. They've announced all the 3 lists, which the BJP did late last night, and very carefully balancing the caste factor, women also being given tickets. Same is the case as far as the JDU is concerned, so as the Chirag Paswan party is concerned. Their readers are already on the ground. The BJP leaders have their charts chalked out for them. They know where they have to go, what kind of campaign, big bang announcements. But look at what has happened on the other side. In Mahagathbandhan, the cookie, so to say, is crumbling. There are parties who still have no clarity on how many seats they are going to be getting. That important final seat sharing talk, which should have taken place by now. Okay, Madhuparna is back with us from Siwan. Madhuparna, that's what I was asking. I mean, the contrast between the two sides are so stark. The Mahagathbandhan not sorted out, NDA very much sorted out, hitting the ground. On the ground where you are, is this something which the people are talking about?
Yes, Pallavi, you are absolutely right. You see, NDA is clearly very much sorted, and they have actually done a very impressive show of, they have shown a very impressive show of strength among all the allies. There were chinks in the armor, but now it seems all sorted because BJP has already come out with 3 lists. JDU has also come out their list, and so do the other allies also. But you see, on the contrary, across the aisle, the Mahagathbandhan is still seems to be in turmoil. There are confusions all around, and the parties, the allies, including Congress, RJD, CPM, CPIM, they are unilaterally announcing their candidates. That is the situation now. Pallavi.
Panaju, hold on. I'm just going to come back to you. The battle for Bihar is getting intense and exciting, and the latest flashpoint has triggered a massive political controversy, which is the decision which has been taken by the opposition camp to field Osama Shahab, the son of gangster Mohammad Shahabuddin. BJP has come down heavily on the RJD, saying that it just exposes what he calls the real face behind Tejaswi Yadav's new Ya Naya Bihar slogan. Let's listen in.
That is extremely unfortunate. I think the people of Bihar still remember those days. By giving the first symbol, by opening your account, by giving ticket symbol to Shahabuddin's son, what are you trying to establish? आप स्थापित क्या करना चाहते हैं? This is the return of Jungle Raj. Like the Honorable Prime Minister has said on multiple occasions, that Rojana Jungle Raj. R for Rangdari, J for Jungle Raj, and D for Dadagiri.
हम लोग बार बार बिहार में जंगल राज की बात करते हैं और आरजेडी के द्वारा तो उसकी शुरुआत कर दी गई है। सुनने में आया है कि सिवान के बहुत चर्चित स्वर्गीय शाहबुद्दीन के बेटे को लड़वाया जा रहा है। निर्णय हो गया है, घोषणा नहीं हो रही, लेकिन निर्णय पक्का ऐसा सुनने में आया है। तो क्या संदेश दे रहे हैं आप? बिहार में उसी खौफ को लाना चाहते हैं जो तेजस्वी यादव ये बोल रहे हैं अपने नामांकन के बाद हमें नया बिहार बनाना है। तो नया बिहार कैसे बनाना है? ऐसी शक्ल के साथ।
So, Madhuparna, this is exactly what I was asking on this question a short while back. In Siwan also, for example, the sense on the ground, the response on the ground, because I guess the RJD's calculation was simple, that we have to give it to someone who can ensure a win for us.
Yes, on the ground, Pallavi, there is an eerie calm. People are still trying to process it that Osama Sahab has got his candidature, he has got a ticket and he's going to file. People are eagerly waiting here just to see him coming to file his nomination. So, and that after that he is going to deliver a speech, he is going to address a public rally nearby. So we are here at Siwan. We are standing right there in front of the SDO court in Siwan, and he was supposed to reach an hour back. We are still waiting. He's on his way, as we have heard. But you know, this the shopkeepers, the normal, the local public we were talking to, everybody, they were just recounting the days of Mr. Sahabuddin's when he was an MP and when he was an MLA, how the shops used to get shut early in the evening, how there used to be a rule of terror, and how people used to always feel intimidated. They always used to think that, you know, anything can happen anytime. So all these kind of things, there's a lot of confusion. They don't know how come this happened, because people thought that Tejasvi Yadav's RJD is kind of a new RJD, and now they are again in the same situation that they used to be a few years back. Pallavi.
And Madhuparna, you're absolutely right. A vote for the Mahagathbandhan will be a vote to the return of the Jungle Raj, is the BJP's campaign over there. Many thanks for joining us. We are going to head